Hello everyone, welcome back to EHunt. In this video, I'll be giving you a detailed introduction to EHunt's shop operation features. We'll be exploring two main areas, listing operation and shop operation. If you often encounter obstacles in running your shop, you definitely don't want to miss this video. If you haven't subscribed to the EHunt YouTube channel yet, click the bottom right corner of the video to follow us. If you haven't registered for an EHunt account, you can click the link in our channel bio or video description to sign up. Let's get started. As an Etsy seller, are you still struggling with the following issues? Poor photography skills leading to unusable product images? No exposure for your products after listing, resulting in low conversion rates? Don't worry, EHunt's shop operation features are here to help you. EHunt's operation features offer two main tools for your shop, listing optimization and follow-up reminders. Additionally, it includes the EtsyGPT Listing Optimizer and the AI Photo Background Editor. With the help of these AI assistants, you can increase your listing exposure and positive reviews, thereby improving your shop's listing conversion rates and reviews. First, let's take a look at the listing operation. Here, we have two AI tools that can help you efficiently optimize your listings, EtsyGPT Listing Optimizer and AI Photo Background Editor. You can input the link or ID of the product you want to optimize. For instance, if I input a product link, the EtsyGPT Listing Optimizer will recognize the reference title. Next, you can input the core keywords you want to include in the result and select a few keywords to generate the title. In this case, I searched for the keyword school and selected keywords like school gift girl, school gifts idea, and personalized. Here are some suggested titles you can use. You can copy them directly or export them as needed. After generating the titles, we move on to generating the description. The product's title, details, and description will be automatically recognized from the link we entered automatically. If any information is not recognized, you can manually add it. After a few minutes, the product description is automatically generated. You can now create high-quality titles and descriptions based on the existing listing information and recommended keywords. This ensures that your listing is more attractive to potential buyers and ranks higher in search results. The EtsyGPT Listing Optimizer is perfect for anyone looking to improve their listings and increase sales. Whether you're a new seller needing help creating effective listings or an experienced seller wanting to streamline the listing optimization process, we can help you save time and effort while improving your results. Both the website and the plugin are available for use. Next, let's take a look at another feature of listing operation, the AI Photo Background Editor. I'm sure some sellers are still troubled by product images, but the AI Photo Background Editor can easily solve this problem. The AI Photo Background Editor is a powerful online tool that allows users to easily and automatically edit the background of their photos. The AI Photo Background Editor offers two main functions, background removal and AI background replacement. Whether you want to replace the existing background with a new one or use the AI helper to intelligently replace the background, EHunt provides a user-friendly interface to achieve professional results. First, let's try uploading a product image and clicking the background removal function. The generated image can also be downloaded. Let's now try the AI Replace Background feature. Upload your product image, describe the background, and select the number of images you need. After a few minutes, you will see the results. I enter two simple descriptions: outdoor table and clean. With the help of the AI helper, you can easily achieve perfect photo editing, making your product images much more attractive. After introducing the listing operation features, let's move on to the shop operation functionalities, listing optimization and follow-up reminders. First, let's take a look at listing optimization. As a seller, you might worry about your products not getting enough exposure after listing them. However, the EHunt listing optimization feature can easily solve this problem. Start by linking your shop to the EHunt website, and all your shop's listings will be synchronized with EHunt. If you are a multi-store seller, you can link up to 10 shops on the EHunt website and switch to any shop for listing optimization. The listing optimization feature evaluates your listings in terms of titles, tags, descriptions, categories, images, and shipping. You can click on Modify Title, Tags, Description, Category, and Pictures based on the evaluation results to optimize your listings. EtsyGPT Optimizer helps generate attractive titles and descriptions, while the AI Photo Background Editor enhances your product images. These two AI tools can improve your optimization efficiency by 200%. Listing optimization can boost your shop's listing conversion rate by at least 20%, making your products outperform competitors and become bestsellers on Etsy. Finally, let's look at the second feature of Shop Operation, follow-up reminders. As sellers, we know that customer reviews directly impact listing conversion rates. If you're struggling with low product conversion rates, intelligent review requests can help. First, link your shop to the EHunt website. All your Etsy orders will be synchronized with EHunt. If you manage multiple shops, you can link up to 10 shops and switch between them for intelligent review requests. In the Intelligent Review Request section, you can click on the settings next to Send Now to set the number of days after the order is received to turn it into a review request. You can also automatically exclude orders from customers who have previously left negative reviews. After setting up Send Now, you can select the customer group on the Request Review page as Repeat Customer or New Customer. Click Preview or Edit Message to customize the Intelligent Review Request template. By sending the review request template to your customers with one click, they won't have to think about how to write a review on Etsy, saving them time and effort. With precise user targeting and intelligent templates, your shop's positive review rate can increase by at least 40%. So, that's the introduction to the 4 features of Listing Operation and Shop Operation. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section. That concludes today's EHunt Shop Operation tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to get more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.